Model 1990 Ford Transit 2.0L Petrol Camper Motorhome starts runs spares OR repairs project. Body white camper. Mileage 131600. Engine 1993 cc. Transmission 5-speed manual. Van engine runs, missing alternator, coolant hose. O-belt, no coolant, no brake fluid, van only has hand brake, exhaust blowing. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is quite rough. Interior is below average. Rear load area is below average. Features, fully fitted camper. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.